Ifskateco gon' fuck it up.
We're here at Cerritos Skatepark in Cerritos. Never been here. Should be a good session. I'm gonna skate it. Walk right into the park. We got this spine or transfer. I'm gonna skate it.
What's good, dude?
How you doing?
What's your name?
I'm Tyler.
Tyler. Alright. T-Man,
Yeah.
5'6".
I got you.
So we're right here today, chilling. What you got? What you got, dude? Anything goes. Call it out. First try. What you got? Not first try. What you got?
First try? Oh, man. I get 50 and more. I get 50 from 180 that ledge. Like the grab.
Which one?
See like the ledge with the rail?
We got this little 2-block. Looking pretty mellow. We're just gonna skate it like per usual. Got a weird rail, got some fucking camelbacks on it, but we still skating it. So we got this little quarter ramp. Could also be used as a drop off. Skate it.
Kickflip first tee. $10. $10 first tee. Run it. Off this. Back him up real quick. I got him. Yes, dude.
That's the biggest drop I ever done.
What
I've
if
never done that before.
You never did what?
Biggest drop I ever
Someone's gotta fucking tell you to do some shit,
I know,
man.
bro.
You're slacking on
Just
your
need
talent.
people around me.
I told you, bro. People be slacking on their talent.
Let's
G.
go on these ledges though.
Huh?
You got something on this ledge? Because I think I feel like skating it, so I'm gonna skate it up.
I think I could like 5 up front.
We got this circle ledge, really curved at the end, or the middle. I'm gonna skate it. Or if you're really feeling it, you got a bowl right here, you can come in through that, come up, hit the rail, or hit the coping on that, go back in the pool, or you can just air out of it and hit a manual. But I'm not gonna do none of that, I'm just gonna skate it up. And we got some rocks. Fuck it, let's skate. We got this ledge to drop off the ledge. Probably really fun reason to skate it. Okay, gotta keep recording.
Got that buzz money.
Drop off the ledge or the double ledge. Come to this section where someone just got stoned. But fuck it, we're gonna skate it. That's what I call a little bit of freestyle skating. Did a bird slide into the quarter pipe. Let's get it. We got a fucking square rail. I don't really like square rails, I would skate the circle ones, round rail, but we're gonna skate everything. Can't believe it's not butter ledge, so I'm gonna hit it up, skate it for a bit. Probably just throw down a switch front crook because it feels good. So we got this mini section, drop off, bump to ledge drop off, fucking ramp to ledge drop off. I think I'm just gonna skate this ramp to ledge drop off. Alright, we got a pyramid here. About to skate it. Pyramid to pyramid. We got a mini bump village, or mini A-frame, whatever you want to call it. So I'm skating. So we got this little ledge. I'm gonna skate it. Switch. We just got done skating Cerritos skate park. 10 out of 10 skate park. Definitely if you're beginning skating, you definitely want to skate in this spot because everything's kind of mellow. So if you want to learn new tricks and you're a beginner, come through Cerritos skate park. And we're probably going to come back to skate it. So this park came with a lake and super long ledge. Call it the bonus feature. So if you're trying to find it, you gotta skate around the park. I'm about to skate it.
Gotta put you in the lake, boy.
Fucker.
That's it. Close this out. We're out. Close it out.
Fuck, bro. That's another episode of Skate.
Alright, Tyler, so just a little sprained ankle action at the end on that sign, but hey, what's good though? Hey, 10 hours ago you were in a live. I called you out. Now you're right here. What's good? Talk about it.
For real. I don't know. I was like so scared when you did that at first. When you're like, when you said you were like a block away and I had to come. Now I woke up in the morning and I was like, I might as well just do it. Like, what am I, like, what's stopping? There's nothing stopping me. So I came and I did like a lot of like new stuff today too. I never done like some of these things. Like the big drop, that's still crazy for me.
Bro, we give out free energy around here, bro. You gotta just take advantage of it, cause like when you landed that, and the way I don't know, there's just something about when you landed that, like even I saw it transcend to this dude. He's usually quiet.
Yeah, that shit was so crazy. It's so cool to see people skate and do new things. It hypes me up and it even hypes them up to skate.
Bro, yeah, I was about to drop
Made me want to skate, bro. That kickflip was like crazy. I knew I had to do it right after that. I don't even know like how I did it. It's like right after that.
It was that energy, bro. It's that secret energy.
That was crazy.
Yeah, man. So definitely, we'll hit that park again. Probably some shenanigans, and maybe like if you're ever down to go hit a street spot or something, or tap in with Eric whenever it's too.
Yeah,
like,
tap in with me whenever.
He's in Long Beach, so go hit a new park, see something different.
I got you.
But yeah, dude. Good shit,
bro.
man.